Good morning, student. I am Dr. Dharmendra BN. Today we are discuss about reciprocal equation. That is in Algebra 1 and Calculus 1. The session is 20. The first BSc, University of Mysore. So, can you discuss about what is a reciprocal equation? An equation f of x is equal to 0 is called a reciprocal equation. What is the condition? The condition is if f of 1 by x is equal to 0. That is, if alpha is a root of f of x, then 1 by alpha is also root of the given equation. So, we can take that remark that f of x is equal to, it can be written as in the form of an equation, that is a naught into x to the power of n plus a1 into x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 into x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to certain final state. The term can be written as a naught is equal to 0. You can observe the terms as the coefficient of x to the power of n and x to the power of 0, that is a naught and a n. Be a reciprocal equation, then we can replace x by 1 by x, and also this equation can be rewritten as, so the term is that is equal to, and is a n into x to the power of n plus a n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 into x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to a naught is equal to 0. That means we can take in that reciprocal and then we have to dividing throughout by x to the power of n. It will get the terms of 1 by f of 1 by x. So, if these two are equal, that is f of x is equal to f of 1 by x, that means the coefficient of x to the power of n, when I have to compare these two equations, the terms is, it is in terms of a ratio, it can be rewritten as, it is a naught by a n is equal to a1 by a n minus 1, that is equal to a2 divided by n minus 2. Up to the last one, we can compare the term is here a n divided by a naught, and also the previous term is a n minus 1 divided by a n. The last equation is a n by a n naught. Or therefore, we can take in the cross multiplication of the first term and the last term, that can be rewritten as, the term is here a naught divided by a n, and the last term is a n divided by a naught. It can be rewritten as, when I have to multiply the terms, is if it is equals there, is a naught square is equal to a n square, and the next term is, when I have to compare these two terms, there is a1 divided by a n minus 1, that is equal to a n minus 1 divided by a n, sorry, a1. So, therefore, that can be written as a1 square is equal to a n minus 1 whole square. Up to the term is, the next one, similarly, a2 square is equal to a n minus 2 whole square, or it can be rewritten as, the term is a naught, we are taking the square root on both the sides of this equation, that equalities, it can be written as a naught is equal to plus or minus a n, and next one is a1 is equal to plus or minus a n minus 1. Similarly, the last one, this type of, that is a2 is equal to plus or minus a n minus 2 up to that some term. So, this gives the two information, that is the two cases are possible, a naught is equal to a n or a naught is equal to negative of a n. Similarly, a1 can be written as a1 is equal to plus, when I have to choose the term is the plus, that is a n minus 1, or a1 is equal to minus a n minus 1. Similarly, a2 is equal to, that is a first positive sign, that is a n minus 2, a2 is equal to minus a n minus 2. So, there are two cases arises in the reciprocal equation. The term is remark, there are two cases. The first case, that is the positive case, a naught is equal to a n, a1 is equal to a n minus 1, a2 is equal to a suffix n minus 2. Here, we say that it is a reciprocal equation with like sign for its coefficients. the coefficients of the corresponding term taken from the beginning and the end are equal. You can observe the term is, that is a naught is equal to a1, sorry, an, a1 is equal to an minus 1, a2 is equal to an minus 2. Similarly, the case 2, that is, we can taking that negative sign, that is a naught is equal to minus an, a1 is equal to minus an minus 1, a2 is equal to minus an minus 2. Here, we say that the reciprocal equation with unlike signs for its coefficient. So, if it is a like sign, means that is a both are positive, the term is the coefficients are equal in positive signs. Unlike sign means that is one is positive, another one is negative, and to compare that first and the last coefficients of the given equation. The coefficients of the corresponding term taken from the beginning and the end are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Okay, there are two cases. The first case is the equality is positive, the term of the coefficient of that equation, and similarly the next one is, that is a unlike sign, means the terms of the a1 a naught is equal to positive sign, and the last term is minus of an. Okay, next the standard types, there are 4 standard types are there. The first type, the reciprocal equation of odd degree with like signs for coefficient. Odd degree means you can take in the x cube, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 7, like that, and the like signs, the term is a naught is equal to n, a1 is equal to a n minus 1, that suffix. Okay, similarly a2 is equal to a suffix n minus 2. So, with the odd degree, this one you can call that as a first class odd degree reciprocal equation. You can observe the terms is first class odd degree reciprocal equation, means that is odd degree with like signs. You can remember the term is that we can call it as first class odd degree reciprocal equations. Example, that is x to the power of 5 plus 8 into x to the power of 4 plus 21 into x cube plus 21 into x to the power of 2 plus 8 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, we can compare that coefficient of x, the term is here a naught is equal to 1, and the last term a n, that is also 1, and correspondingly similar, that here 8 is there, here also 8, and here 21 and 21, and the power is odd, x to the power of 5. You can observe terms of the power is x to the power of 5. So, therefore, this one is a first class degree odd degree reciprocal equation. That means odd degree with like coefficients, that positive sign, that is a naught is equal to an, a1 is equal to an minus 1, a2 is equal to a suffix n minus 2. So, this one we can call it as first class odd degree reciprocal equation. And the second type, reciprocal equation of even degree with like sign for coefficients. The term means that is x to the power of even degree, that is x square, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 6, x to the power of 8, like that. So, we can call this one as first class even degree reciprocal equation. So, the term is, if it is a even degree and the coefficient must be the same sign. Okay, we can call this one as first class even degree reciprocal equation, that is like signs, positive signs or negative signs, both are the terms is. Example, 6 x to the power of 4 minus 25 x to the power of 3 plus 37 x square minus 25 x plus 6. Here we have to observe the term is x to the power of 4, and the term is here, the last term is 6. It is a naught is equal to 6, and an is also is equal to 6 with the same sign, that is with like signs. And the next term is we can minus 25, here also that is minus 25, and then the middle term is 37. So therefore we can call this equation that is a first class even degree reciprocal equation. Then shall we move on to the next one, that is a third type, the reciprocal equation. So reciprocal equation of odd degree with unlike signs for coefficient. We can call this one as second class odd degree reciprocal equation. Second class. What is first class? The first class is odd degree with like signs. The second class odd degree reciprocal equation means that is a odd degree with unlike signs for coefficients. Example, can I take the example is x to the power of 5 minus 5x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube minus 9x to the power of 2 plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. So compare that a naught and a n. Here a naught is 1 and here a n is minus 1. That means a naught is equal to minus of minus 1. So here a naught is equal to 1, that is equal to minus of a n is minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. So therefore a naught is equal to a n. Similarly here minus 5, here plus 5, here 9, here minus 9. So therefore this one is the, and also we can observe that power of x, that is odd. So therefore this one is called the example for second class odd degree reciprocal equation. What is the next one is the reciprocal equation of even degree with unlike sign for coefficients. You can call this one as second class even degree reciprocal equation. What is first class or even degree reciprocal equation? That is even degree with like coefficient. Here second class even degree reciprocal means that is even degree with unlike sign for coefficients. Example, 6x x to the power of 6 minus 25x to the power of 5 plus 31x to the power of 4 minus 31x square plus 25x minus 6 is equal to 0. We can compare the coefficient of a naught and an. The term is, we compare the coefficient of x, the term here a naught is 6 and an is minus 6. So 6 is equal to minus of minus 6. So that becomes plus 6. Here also minus 25, here plus 25, here 31, here minus 31. So therefore this one is unlike signs. So therefore this is the example for second class even degree reciprocal equation. So move on to the next one. Note, reciprocal equation of odd degree with like sign for coefficients, that is a first class odd degree reciprocal equation, always as minus 1 as one of its roots. You can remember the terms is a reciprocal equation of odd degree with like signs for coefficients is always minus 1 as the one of its roots. You can observe term is. Similarly, the next one, reciprocal equation of odd degree with unlike coefficient for the second class odd degree reciprocal equation is always plus 1 as one of its root. You can observe terms is first class odd degree reciprocal equation, that is minus 1 as one of its roots. If suppose we are to taking that next one, unlike odd degree unlike signs for coefficients, that is always plus 1 as one of its roots. Next, a reciprocal equation of even degree with unlike signs for coefficients, that is a second class even degree reciprocal equation. It's always as plus 1 and minus 1 as 2 of its roots. It is a second class even degree reciprocal equation. Similarly, the last one, divide the reciprocal equation of even degree with like signs. So this one is the first class even degree reciprocal equation. by its middle power of x to solve. So that is we are dividing that middle power of x. Okay, and also we can observe the term uh, uh, x plus 1 by x whole square. So that expansion of quadratic equation, that it can be written as, it is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. It can be written as, or it can be rewritten as x square plus 1 by x square. We can take these two on LHS side. It can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So when I have to solve that even degree, that we should always use this form, that is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. That using this very important when I have to solve the quadratic equation, the reciprocal equation, the term of even degree with like signs. Okay, so we have to move on to the next example. If alpha is the root of the given equation, in this equation, then we can show that 1 by alpha is also root of the given equation. Solution: what is the given equation is, that is if alpha is the root of given equation, that is 5x to the power of 4 plus 10x cube plus 15x square plus 10x plus 5 is equal to 0, which implies when I have to replace x by alpha, that is 5 alpha to the power of 4 plus 10 alpha to the power of 3 plus 15 alpha to the power of 2 plus 10 alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. We can call this one as equation 1. So if it is a 1 by alpha is also root of the given equation, what we have to show in this problem. So we can replace x by 1 by alpha in the given equation, in this equation. So it can be written as it is 5 into 1 by alpha whole to the power of 4 plus 10 into 1 by alpha whole cube plus 15 into 1 by alpha square plus 10 into 1 by alpha plus 5. When you have to take in that LCM, that can be written as, that highest power is alpha to the power of 4. So it can be written as 5 in the numerator, that is 5 plus 10 into alpha plus 15 alpha square plus 10 alpha cube plus 5 alpha to the power of 4. So we have to observe that given equation, we have to replace x by alpha. You can call that one as equation 1. That right hand side is 0. You can observe that numerator term, that is equal to 0. 0 divided by alpha to the power of 4, that's equal to 0. So therefore, so when I have to replace x by 1 by alpha, that is also is equal to 0. We can call this one as a reciprocal equation. Okay, we shall move on to the next one, that multiple choice question. If which of the following equation is an odd degree first class reciprocal equation? So we know the terms of odd degree first class reciprocal equation is odd degree with like coefficient, that is a naught is equal to a n and a1 is equal to a n minus 1. Likewise, similarly we can observe that first equation, the choice of first portion of this equation, that is a 4x to the power of 5 minus 11 into x cube minus 11 into x square plus 4 is equal to 0. So when I have to compare that a naught and a n, that is a, and also we can observe that power of x, this is a odd degree equation, and also the signs are positive. So therefore this one is odd degree first class reciprocal equation. Similarly, next choice, that is 6x cube, this one is also odd degree equation, but when I have to compare that a naught and a n, that that is a n is equal to, sorry, a naught is equal to minus of minus a n. So therefore this one is not first class odd degree reciprocal equation. Similarly, the next one choice, 6x cube minus 6, that you compare the terms of this one is also odd degree, but the signs are opposites. So therefore there is unlike sign for coefficients. So that none of the above. So what is that answer? That only the choice is, that is only one, that is first one. So that a naught is equal to am. So therefore the answer is 1. Similarly, next one, find the reciprocal equation of even degree with like signs for coefficient. Even degree with like means that is when that is x to the power of 2 or x to the power of 4 or x to the power of 6 with a naught is equal to an, a1 is equal to an minus 1, and taking the choice, it is the first one, x into, so 4 into x to the power of 4 minus 20 into x cube plus 33 into x square plus 20 into x minus 4. So but this given equation is, that is the first choice is, that is a even degree, but the coefficients are unlike signs, so this is not possible. And the next one, here also this equation is even degree, but that we can observe the terms of here, a naught is 3 and an is minus 3, so unlike coefficients, this is not possible, the answer. And the next one is 2 x to the power of 6, but this one is a even degree. To compare that, a naught is 2 and a n is also 2, so therefore this one is even degree with like signs. Find out the next one, none of the above. So therefore the 3 is the correct answer here. Answer is 3, because even degree with like signs. Next one, find the reciprocal equation of odd degree with unlike sign for coefficients. Unlike sign means, that is a naught is equal to minus an, a1 is equal to minus of an minus 1, odd degree, that is x cube or x to the power of 5 or x to the power of 7, like that. So when I have to choose the choice, the first one is 4 into x to the power of 5, so definitely this one is the odd degree. So when I have to compare that a naught and an, so this one is like signs, 4 is equal to 4, that is a naught is equal to an. Similarly, next one, 6x cube, x to x to the power of 5, so x to the power of 5 means that is a odd degree, and a naught is 6 and an is minus 6, that is unlike signs for the coefficients. Next one, 6x to the power of 5, so definitely this one is a odd degree. So when I have to choose the positive sign or negative, a naught is equal to, the term is an, so the next one is none of the above. So what is the answer? The we have to observe the term is the second one, because power is odd degree, and also that is a naught is equal to minus of an, that is 6 is equal to minus of minus 6, so the answer is 2. Similarly, the next one, which of the following equation is a second class even degree reciprocal equation? That means if it is a even degree with unlike coefficients, the terms is, you can observe term is a naught is equal to minus of an, and a1 is equal to minus of an minus 1. Similarly, the first choice, you can observe terms is definitely this one is a even degree. You can compare a naught and an, this one is like signs. Next choice, and is this one is also that's even degree, and the choice is a naught is equal to minus of an, so this one is the second class even degree reciprocal equation. Then we can choose the next one is definitely this one is a even degree with like coefficient, a naught is equal to an, that is 2 is equal to 2, and what is the next one is none of the above. So the answer is 2, because that a naught is equal to minus of an, that is 3 is equal to minus of minus 3, so therefore the answer is 2. Similarly, the next one, an equation f of x is equal to 0 is called a reciprocal equation if can you guess? So f of 1 by x is equal to 1. Next choice, f of 1 by x is equal to infinity. Next, f of 1 by x is equal to 0 by 0. Next, f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Which one? If it is a reciprocal, means if alpha is the root of the given equation, then we can say that 1 by alpha is also a reciprocal equation. So therefore 1 by that's also is equal to 0. That is 1 by f of f of 1 by x is equal to 0. That last one answer is 4. So the reference books are a textbook of BSc Mathematics by G.K. Rangnath, and then the publishers are S. Chan and Company Private Limited, 2016. The next one, a textbook of BSc Mathematics, L. N. Chakravarti. Thank you.